Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Zerion application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Google Play Store on your Android device, and once you open it up, go ahead and tap on the search box and type in Zerion Wallet and start the search. Once you find the application, go ahead and tap on it and you will find the install button if it isn't already installed in your system. Just go ahead and tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Zerion Wallet application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it. And now this will open up the Zerion Wallet application on your Android device. You can tap on the Get Started button to get started with signing up or signing in to your existing wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Zerion Wallet application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.